The issue around maintenance. I want to bring urgent attention to all of you out there around the maintenance that is going on. Late last year, in or about November, December, the Justice Department has issued a directive, as far as I can understand it, that they will be targeting fathers in the main that have the financial wherewithal to pay maintenance but are not. Guys, very simply put, if you have a maintenance obligation and you have the financial wherewithal to pay your maintenance, I wish you all the best of luck taking on the Department of Justice. However, it has come to my attention that specifically magistrates are having a huge issue across South Africa around fathers just running away from their maintenance obligations. The issue is that fathers that are unemployed, and we all know the exceptionally high unemployment rate in South Africa as a direct result of the shocking economy because of simple bad government and governance within South Africa. However, the issue is that we, as Fathers for Justice, have noticed a distinct uptick or upturn in the amount of cases involving fathers that are unemployed but are having salaries garnished, arrest warrants issued for failure to comply with their maintenance issues. I had cause to speak to somebody over the weekend from the Department of Justice, and very simply put, the magistrates have had enough, because fathers are not rocking up to court to pay their maintenance or to sort out their maintenance issues. The way I understand it, if you are unemployed or you have issues around meeting your current financial obligations insofar as your current maintenance is concerned, you better get out in front of and on top of your maintenance issues. If you are on a contractual basis and the contract has been terminated, or you have your own business and you've lost a contract that provided most, if not all, of your income, or whatever the case may be, guys, don't wait for the summons to go to court. Okay. If you have been let go, you've now been made retrenched, or you are unemployed, get out on top of and in front of your maintenance issues, guys. They're coming for guys. It's that simple. So we can try and fight the system, or you can get in front of the system. You need to be going and at the very least seeing the senior maintenance clerk at the magistrate's court closest to where your children reside. Please remember that. The jurisdiction of your case follows the residency of the child. So please go to the closest magistrate's court to the residence of your child, because that's where the matter will be heard. So please remember that. But the bottom line is, guys, if you are having difficulties meeting your maintenance obligations, what has been said to me is that if you are unemployed and you're having difficulty, obviously because you're unemployed, to meet your maintenance obligations, the maintenance officer and all the magistrate will defer your case for another 3 or 6 months, depending on how much mercy they want to throw upon you, and then it will be revisited. Whatever you do, guys, running away is not going to help the situation. Guys are coming to me with problems that their salaries or their banks have been garnished, or whatever the case may be, and now all of a sudden the money's disappearing out their bank. Okay? And if they haven't got money, now they're sitting with problems of overdrawn accounts, etc., etc. Or if you don't have an account, there's now arrest warrants out for you. Guys, you cannot avoid the inevitable. Okay? If you guys are having issues, we are going to have to find a way of resolving this through Fathers for Justice, which we are already doing. I have already engaged the National Public Prosecutor and the Public Protector, as well as, once again, going back to the Department of Social Development. And the other thing is that we will be engaging the Law Reform Commission again. The bottom line is, guys, if you're having issues around your maintenance, don't wait for the court date. If you have received notice to appear, go today. Go and see the maintenance officer, the senior maintenance officer at the magistrate's court. Go and discuss with him or her your maintenance issues. Show your retrenchment letter or that you've been unemployed since whenever. Okay? What do they want to do? You will have to go back. Please don't ignore going back on the date. And I keep on telling guys, if you've got a court date, you never, ever, 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 amen, miss a court date. If your lawyer or your ex's lawyer or your ex tells you you don't have to go to court, don't listen. It's the quickest way to lose a case. I don't care what your circumstances are. If you've been involved in an accident, you need to tell somebody within your family, or give legal instruction to your lawyer, or you need to come to us in the event of, let's forbid it at the highest level, that something happens to you and you're involved in an accident or you're unable to attend. You get somebody to go, but you do not attend. I don't care what your circumstances are. So please, guys, maintenance has become, it's a double-edged sword. I will put the letters that we have sent to the Department of Social Development, as well as the Public Prosecutor and Public Protector, and we are engaging. We will wait, as we normally have to, for somebody to get back to us. But the bottom line is, guys, if you're having issues around your maintenance, the Department of Justice is targeting you. And the problem that we're sitting with is lawyers have picked up on this, and they are now exacerbating the situation. They are using this as a tool, another tool to destroy you. Do not let your legal and financial woes become even worse. You have to get on top of and out in front of your case. And if you're having issues, please, there's the email, website, contact in the message below. Please reach out to us. But whatever you guys do, please do not try and run away from your obligations. If you're having difficulty, please reach out to us. Email, website address, contact details are in the message below. I will attach those letters that have already been sent out to the Department of Social Development, as well as the Public Prosecutor and Protector. And yeah, it's incumbent on them to return to us, we the public. Okay, I love you all.